What's the meaning of color line? Color line. Color line.
Color line. Color line. The term color line refers to a system of segregation and discrimination based on race, particularly against Black Americans. It was used in the United States during the late 19th and early 20th centuries to describe the division between whites and non-whites. This division was institutionalized through Jim Crow laws, which enforced racial segregation in public spaces such as schools, restaurants, and public transportation. The color line perpetuated inequality and limited opportunities for people of color, particularly Black Americans, in areas such as employment, housing, and political representation.